Welcome back, Crammers, to question 12. T is equal to 6p minus 4d. Work out the value of t when p is equal to 8 and d is equal to 3. So we can substitute. P is equal to 6p, which is 8, minus 4d, which is 3. So we have t is equal to 6 times 8, that is 48, minus 4 times 3, so that's 12. So t is equal to 48 minus 12, which is 36. T is again equal to 6p minus 4d. Work out the value of p when t is equal to negative 41 and d is equal to 5. We can rearrange this by bringing 4d to the other side. So we have 6p is equal to t plus 4d. And we can divide both sides by 6 to isolate p. And now we can input our values into this equation. We have p is equal to t, so that's negative 41, plus 4 times d, which is 5, which is then divided by 6. P is equal to negative 41 plus 4 times 5, that's 20, divided by 6. P is equal to negative 41 plus 20 is negative 21, and we divide this by 6. We can use our calculator here. We have negative 20, negative 21 divided by 6 gives us negative 3.5, negative 3.5. Solve for x minus 3 is equal to 7x plus 15. Firstly, we can multiply the polynomial. So we have 4x minus 4 times 3, which is 12, which is equal to 7x plus 15. Now we can bring 7x here and we can bring 12 here. So we have 7x, negative 7x plus 4x is equal to 15 plus 12. So negative 7x plus 4x is negative 3x is equal to 15 plus 12, which is 27. We can divide both sides by negative 3, divide by negative 3, and x is equal to negative 9. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.